Hello everyone, welcome once again to Sanath Easymind Tutorials. One step to make your way easy. How are you? I hope all you are doing well and you are preparing well for your examinations. So friends, as there was a huge demand for the MS Office questions, that is the objective questions based on previous year, also the expected questions. इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे MS Word से related questions. MS Office का ये सीरीज सोच रहा हूँ मैं चलाऊंगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, if you like this video, then do give the feedback in the comment section after watching this video. It will be helpful for all of your upcoming examinations. जितने भी आपका एग्जाम्स हैं सभी के लिए ये बहुत ही ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल होगा. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any important update. So let's start the video. आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देना चाहता हूं जो कि है कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट, यानी कि जो स्किल टेस्ट होता है उसके बारे में. अगर आप कोई भी एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो उसका टायर 2 में अगर कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट या फिर स्किल टेस्ट के बारे में पूछा जाता है, और अगर आपको ऐसे भी कंप्यूटर का अगर जनरल नॉलेज चाहिए, कंप्यूटर के बारे में जानना है, आपको कहीं पे भी आप काम करते हैं जहां पे आपको ऐसा स्किल्स चाहिए, तो आप बिल्कुल ये कोर्स परचेज कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही मिनिमल प्राइस में आप देख सकते हैं, सिर्फ 49 रुपीज का है. तो अगर आपको इससे रिलेटेड डिटेल जानकारी चाहिए या फिर इससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी आपको इस तरीके के वीडियोस देखना है, तो आप राइट टॉप कॉर्नर में देख सकते हैं आई बटन पर, वहां पे जाके कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट का प्लेलिस्ट को पूरा देख सकते हैं, या फिर आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी इसका प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक मिल जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपको सारे टैब समझाए जाएंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ एमएस वर्ड, एक्सेल एंड पावर पॉइंट. पीडीएफ आपको मिलेगा, मॉक पीडीएफ जो आपको सॉल्व करना है, और उसका वीडियो सॉल्यूशन आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में सुन सकते हैं. सारे वीडियोस आपको रिकॉर्डेड मिलेंगे और वो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में कवर्ड हुआ है, तो लैंग्वेज का आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. जितने भी एडवांस फंक्शन है, लेटेस्ट पैटर्न के ऊपर बेस, सभी आपका यहाँ पे कवर हो जाएगा दोस्तों. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज ए प्रिंटर इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस यूज्ड फॉर डैश. सो द ऑप्शंस आर इनपुट, वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, आउटपुट. See friends, this type of questions also you can expect in all your examinations regarding MS Word. So these are the top expected as well as based on the previous year pattern. Do focus carefully and answer the questions. Pause the video and answer the question. So here, as you know, printer, what it does, it prints the document which we give as an input. It is basically a output device. So here the correct answer is output. So the next question, a right click on the desktop itself will, what it will do? So you have to tell, if you right click on the desktop, then what will it display? The options are open the display properties dialog box, show a context sensitive menu, open the control menu, minimize all open applications. जब आप right click करेंगे अपने desktop पर तो क्या आपको दिखेगा? So here the correct answer is, that is option number A, open the display properties dialog box. So let us see now what happens when we right click on our desktop. When we right click here, then this comes in front of us. I am using Windows 2010. So here you can see this option, display settings. That's why the option, you can see the correct answer, display settings you can see here. Question number 3. The process of starting or restarting a computer system by loading instructions from a secondary storage device into the computer memory is called. So this is basically a question, you can say a general awareness type question that everybody should know. Okay, this type of questions also you can expect. When you start the computer system, then what is the first process that takes place? This question is talking about that. This is the hint for you. Pause the video and answer it. Then check your answer. So the options are duping, booting, padding and CPS. So here the correct option is B, that is booting. Booting means basic input output system, that is BIOS. When you start your computer or the system, then the basic booting process takes place, in which all the instructions are being loaded from a secondary storage device into the computer memory for execution. Then only the computer starts. I hope you understood this question. Next question, that is question number 4. The basic goal of computer process is to convert data into what? This is a very simple question, I guess. The options are files, tables, information, graphs. And here the correct answer is C, that is information. So whenever we take data, data is nothing but it is in raw format. कोई भी चीज हम लोग अगर उठाते हैं, डेटा, फैक्ट्स, कुछ भी उठाते हैं जो कि अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, मतलब किसी भी वे में इसको ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं किया गया है, which is unorganized, haphazard manner, that is called data. And when we organize it into some files, tables, or any useful text that is relevant, okay, then it is called as information. I hope you understood. Next question is, the name that user gives to a document is referred to as dash. Options are document name, file name, name given, document identity. This is again a very easy question. You can easily identify from the options, you can eliminate. There is no such term. We use document name, name given. So generally we use the name as file name. Okay, we refer this as file name. So this is the correct answer to this question. See friends, the questions where the explanation is required, I will definitely provide you, and some questions are fact based and awareness based that you should answer. Okay, like this question, this is a GK question. Which of the following is the most powerful type of computer? So these are the options: supermicro, superconductor, microcomputer, supercomputer. Again it's a simple question, easy question है दोस्तों. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन भी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसका आंसर आपका हो जाएगा सुपर कंप्यूटर. तो सुपर कंप्यूटर सबसे पावरफुल टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर माना जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which of the following will be used for checking spelling? So this is again a practical question. MS वर्ड में आप जब स्पेल चेक करते हैं तो इसमें से आप क्या यूज करेंगे? ऑप्शंस आर डिक्शनरी डिस्क, इंडेक्स डिस्क, directory disk, all of the above. So very easy to answer. For spelling, what we will use? Dictionary. So option is dictionary disk. Question number 8. To be information, data must be what? It should be factual, relevant, news, or all of the above. So ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है, अगर इंफॉर्मेशन हमको चाहिए तो इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए जो डेटा होता है, पहले हम डेटा लेते हैं, तो डेटा को क्या होना चाहिए ताकि वो इंफॉर्मेशन पे कन्वर्ट हो सके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कलेक्ट द डेटा. So what the data should be? Data should be in which form so that it can be called as an information. So data should be what? It should be relevant. Relevant मतलब समझने लायक हो, तो आंसर हो जाएगा relevant. Next question. Who built the first computer mouse? Again इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, इसलिए इंक्लूड कर दिया हूं मैं यहाँ पे. Okay, you should have basic knowledge about this if you are going to any computer skill test examination. Okay, so here it's a factual question. And I hope you might be knowing this, and the correct answer to this question is Douglas Engelbart. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 10. Which of the following key can be used as a shortcut to rename a folder in Microsoft Windows 8 and higher versions? So this is a shortcut key question. This is the top expected question which you can expect in your upcoming examinations, whichever exam you are going to give regarding the CPT or the skill test. Okay, यहाँ पे आपका प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज टेस्ट हो रहा है, तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा, यू माइट बी नोइंग दिस, द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज F2. F2 function key is used to rename a folder in Microsoft Windows 8 or any higher versions like Microsoft Windows 10, 16 or 13. Okay. Next question is 11. In MS Word, spelling check feature is available in which tab? So this is again spelling check feature. So in which tab the spelling check feature is available? So I am using the MS Word now. MS Word में मैं यूज ही कर रहा हूँ, तो आप यहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इन चारों में से, फाइल टैब, होम टैब, इंसर्ट टैब या रिव्यू टैब, द करेक्ट आंसर इज रिव्यू टैब. इफ यू गो टू द रिव्यू टैब, हियर यू कैन सी हियर द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर. सो हियर यू कैन चेक द स्पेलिंग. यहाँ पे आप अपना जो भी स्पेलिंग है वो यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं. And again, I would like to say you that if you have not watched the computer fundamental GK playlist, that is computer GK for all exams, that playlist you finish it first. Okay, that will help you in all of your examinations like ICMR assistant skill test exam. In any exam where this type of questions are expected, you please complete that playlist. The link is provided in the description as well as in the I button you can see. वो playlist आप पहले complete कर लीजिए. Next question यहाँ पे है आपका question number 12. MS Word is a text or document editing application program that comes in the package of MS Office suite. Which among the following is not related with MS Word? So you have to say which of these are not related to MS Word. Again, option A mailings, option B view, option C is references, and D is antivirus. So pause the video and think upon the answer. The correct answer to this question is D, that is antivirus. See here, mailings, there is a tab called mailings, you can see here in the screen. Then view, again view is a tab in MS Word. References is also a tab, but antivirus is nowhere related to MS Word. So it's a odd one out question. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a valid version of MS Office? तो MS Office का कौन सा यहाँ से valid version नहीं है, वही यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है. Office 2007, it is a valid version. Office 2003, it is also a valid version. Office 2010, yes, it's also a valid version. But Office Vista, have you heard Office Vista? No. Windows Vista हम जानते हैं, ये एक OS है, लेकिन Office Vista करके ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, ये कोई वर्जन नहीं है MS Office का. So the correct answer is option D, that is Office Vista. Question number 14. Which of the following is used to change page size and margins? देखिए ये आपका प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन हो गया. पेज का साइज आपको चेंज करना है, मार्जिन्स चेंज करना है. यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द पेज साइज एंड मार्जिन्स. तो विच ऑप्शन यू विल यूज? दैट इज पेज लेआउट, व्यू, होम और रिव्यू. सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग द MS Word, you might be knowing this. This is a very simple question. The correct answer is option A, that is page layout. So I can show you here. If you go to the page layout option, then you can see here the margins is there. Here you can adjust the margin like normal, narrow or custom margin. You can adjust here top, left, right, bottom. Also the size you can adjust here in the size tab. You can see letter, tabloid, then legal, A3, A4. All these are available. Okay, यहाँ से आप लोग change कर सकते हैं size and margin. Next question. Which font is selected by default in MS Word? तो अगर आप MS Word open करते हैं, by default कौन सा font आपका select हो जाता है? Whenever you start the MS Word, which font is selected by default? Option are Times New Roman, Calibri, Arial, Office. So here, do not confuse in between Times New Roman and Calibri. So the correct answer is Calibri. Whenever you open the MS Word, you can see here the Calibri font, it is selected by default. So these are the questions from this video. And that's all from my side in this video. Thank you for watching, and do like, share and subscribe the channel, and share the video with your friends if you like our effort, because your one like motivates us. And you can join us at the Telegram for any query. The two Telegram channels you can see, Sanath Easymind Tutorials, and the second one is Easymind Discussion. If you want to discuss anything, then you can join the second Telegram group. Thank you friends. We will meet in the next video. Till that time, happy learning and good luck.